Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to explain multiplying and dividing by decades or by 10, 100, 1000. As we studied before how to multiply and divide by 10, 100, 1000, I will revise. 28 times 10. The first step, I will drop the number as it is and 1 0 beside it. And the answer becomes 280. Here I have 28 times 100. I will write 28 as it is and 2 zeros beside it. And the answer will be 2800. 28 times 1000. I will write 28 and drop 3 zeros beside it. And the answer becomes 28,000. Okay? What do you notice here after I have finished? When I start to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, in multiplication the number becomes bigger. I start to divide. When I said divide, it means what? The number becomes smaller. Divide, it means cancel the zeros together. Here, 80 divided 10. I'll cancel 1 0 with 1 0 and it will be 8 divided 1 and the answer will be 8. Here I have 500 divided 100. I will cancel 2 zeros together and the answer will be 5. Here I have 2000 divided 1000. I will cancel 3 zeros together and the answer will be 2. After I have finished, what do you notice in the division? The number becomes smaller and in multiplication the number becomes bigger. Our note for this slide, in multiplication the number becomes bigger and in division the number becomes smaller. Now I start to multiply and divide by decimal number. Okay, I will imagine that my ball here is a decimal point. When I kick it to the right, what will happen? Okay, the number becomes bigger. When I kick the decimal point to the left, the number becomes, the number becomes smaller. So, in multiplication, I will kick the decimal point to the right or to the left? Yes, to the right, because the number becomes in the multiplication bigger. Here I have 2.3 times 10. It means I will put 0, I'll drop the number as it is 2.30. No, I'll kick my decimal point according to the number of zeros I have. Here I have 1 0. It means I will kick my decimal point to the right one place. And the answer will be 23. And I can write it in the same shape but with the same value. If I write 23 is a whole number and I put my decimal point and 0, the number will change? No, it will be the same, but the shape will change, but the value will be the same. So I can write the whole number as it is or decimal point and put 0 is a decimal part. Here I have 70.8 times 100. What can I do? When it's multiplied by decimal, it means I will kick my decimal point or move it to the right according to the number of zeros I have. Here I have 2 zeros. It means I will move it to the right 2 places. But here, I just have one place and the decimal point will get away. What can I do? I will keep another place with 0. It means the answer becomes 7080. Here I have 7.32 times 1000. I want to hear, what can I do? Yes, I will kick the decimal point to the right 3 places. Why 3 places? Because I have 3 zeros. I will kick first place, second place. I don't have any third place. What can I do? I will keep the third place with 0. The answer becomes 7,320. Thanks for you. I will start in the division. In the division, here I have 82.3 divided 10. And here I have my decimal point. I will kick it to the right. No! In the division, the number becomes smaller. I will kick it or move it to the left. Here I have how many places? I have 1 place because I have 1 0. It means I will kick my decimal point to the left 1 place. 82.3 divided 10. I will move the decimal point to the left one place, and the answer becomes 8.23. Here I have 18 divided 100. I don't have any decimal point. What can I do to move it? I will cancel 0. I don't have 0. What can I do? We know before in the first example that the whole number equal the whole number and decimal point on the right. It means my decimal point is the number 18 is on the right here, and I will kick it to the left 2 places. Okay? And the answer will be 0.18. To keep the whole number with the number, I will keep it with 0 and my decimal point 18. Here, in the last example with me, I have 780 divided 1000. What can I do? I will imagine that's my decimal point in the first of the number, and I'll kick it 3 places and I write the answer. Why I don't put the 0 first? Because when I put 0 on the right as the first example, it has no meaning. I can write it or cancel it. Thanks for you.